Hello viewers, hope all are fine and safe and happy at home. So today in Lata's Art of Cooking, I've come with a traditional dish known as avial. You might be wondering what I'm doing with all these loads of vegetables. So for avial we need as much as number of vegetables you can add, it will be more tasty. So that's the specialty of avial. And avial in Kerala there's no celebration or a festival without making avial. It's very healthy because you have too many vegetables and very less oil. So that's a specialty. So let's see what and all I have taken. Okay, now you cannot include tomatoes or bitter gourd. Okay. So let's go and see what and all I included. Okay, here I have taken some sweet pumpkin. This is nokol, and of course my favorite curry leaves. Then there is some raw banana and potato. I've just cut and put it into this water so that it doesn't get oxidized and turns black. Then I have some beans. This is the beans, carrot, drumstick, some onion. Okay, this is the vegetables. All this vegetable has to be cut into like this long shape. So by seeing the way it is cut, you will come to know this is cut for avial. In many of the Kerala's traditional dishes, the way it is cut, seeing that you will come to know what it is going to be prepared. So this has to be cut like this to make an avial. It should be long like this. Okay. So, and that's about the vegetables. And next we have something to grind. I have taken about 3/4 cup of coconut, freshly grated coconut. Then some green chilies. This is less spicy chili, so I have taken about 6 chilies I have taken. You may adjust the spice according to your taste. Then I have half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Half of this I'll be including while boiling the vegetables, and the remaining half while I'll grind the coconut. And then 2 to 3 crushed garlic. So these, we won't make a fine paste out of this, just we will whip it in the pulse mode. So first we'll grind the chili to fine paste, and this coconut we have to whip it in pulse mode. And then of course some tamarind juice of a lime size. I have taken an extract of the tamarind, and this is juice. We'll use as per the requirement. That's all. Okay, and that's a specialty again. I'm going to make it in this mud pot. So that's it. So now let's go to, it's very simple. The only time you're going to consume is chopping the vegetables. And during the Onam festivals, we used to sit and cut, we used to count 12, 13, how many vegetables we can include into this. And it used to look so colorful. You can include brinjal or the yam, anything you can include. So, okay, without much talking, let's go to the cooking. Okay, into the stove goes all the vegetables one by one. There's no frying, nothing, just go on adding. Okay, you can do this in a cooker, but the vegetables will get too mashy, which I don't like. You may also cook it in the cooker, maybe 1 to 2 whistles max. So it's advisable you cook it in the open pan. You don't have to close it also. And in this curry leaves, I'll put half now. Couple of them. Remaining I'll be putting finally when we season it. And they're looking very colorful. Okay, some water. Don't add too much of water. Give a toss. Half a teaspoon of salt. And half of the turmeric, what we have kept aside. Remaining half will go into the grinding of or the crushing of the coconut. So give it a stir. and allow it to cook. In between you can just stir it like this. Okay, I don't have that white pumpkin. It really tastes good if you include the white pumpkins also. I don't have it, I missed that. I didn't find it in the market. So now let's get it cooked well. Wow, so looks so awesome, isn't it? While our vegetables are getting cooked, I'm going to grind this coconut, grind or crush. So first I'll put this chili into this, because this has to be a fine paste. And if you are using, instead of the cumin powder, if you are using raw cumin or the cumin seed, then you may include it along with this chili, so that also will get crushed properly. But since I'm using a powder, I'm going to include when I'm grinding the coconut. So let's go and grind the chilies first. Okay, now I have grinded this chili finely. Now let me add the coconut and the other ingredients also. Half of the turmeric we had added while cooking the vegetables. Remaining I'm just going to put into this coconut. We are not going to make a fine paste out of it, just crushing it. And the cumin powder. I just crushed this and I'll show you what's the consistency. This is done. I just whipped it once in a pulse mode. This is how it should be. Don't make a fine paste out of this. Now once the vegetables get cooked, we'll add in the crushed coconut, the crushed garlic and the tamarind paste juice, sorry. Okay, the vegetable is now well cooked. It took me 20 minutes to boil this vegetable. Now I'm going to add the coconut which we had crushed. And the tamarind extract. Now be gentle while you're mixing this, because your vegetables are all now well cooked. So give it with a very gentle hand, give it a stir. It's all cooked now. Okay, one more thing I need to add. It's the crushed garlic. And that goes. If you feel your there's no water left at all, you can add say quarter cup of water more, so everything gets cooked well, your coconut also. So I'm adding little water. This is a side dish, so it has to be like this. It has to be dry, not watery. This is not a gravy item, it's a side dish. Now I'll lower the flame and just allow it to simmer for say 1 or 2 minutes. I'll keep it closed and just allow it to simmer. And then I'll come back after 2 minutes. Yes, I need half a teaspoon of salt more, so I'm adding it. And on that just 1 tablespoon of water. That's it. Give it a good toss. So totally I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Always add less salt in the beginning, and then later on you can adjust it. Once if it is more, then nothing can be done. So this is how I do. Now 2 minutes I'll wait, and then we'll just give it a garnishing. Our avial is boiling nicely. Now it's time to season it. It's not in the normal way. Just take 1 tablespoon of fresh coconut oil. Yes, this is how we have to season this, and just pour it. coconut oil is very good. It's proven now. It's good for health. It increases your immunity also. And just take some curry leaves and just crush it and put it on this. That's all. That's how you do the seasoning for avial. And then switch off the flame and just leave it closed. So all the coconut oil and that curry leaf smell will get embedded into this, and it will have an awesome taste. So that's it, done. Now we'll plate it. Was it simple? I mean, the only time consuming, as I said, is chopping the vegetables. So if you're going to prepare it for your tiffin once the lockdown opens, so you can keep the vegetables chopped in the overnight and also the coconut scrapped. Morning just cook it and then add the coconut and you have your avial ready. That's how I do. So we'll plate it and I'll come back. So viewers, our healthy tasty avial is ready. It's just loaded with vegetables and I haven't used in much of oil. You would have seen just 1 tablespoon of coconut oil that also I have used. So it's tasty again and it's healthy again. So just do prepare this. It's really tasty, and please share your comments with me. Also, if you like my recipes, please subscribe this channel and be part of my YouTube family. So have a nice day. Bye bye.